up yesterday. It's a Logan lathe. We're gonna take it off the truck. It's on the pallet here. I guess I better drive it in before he drives the forks into my truck. Alright, we're going to put it down in my shop now. Alright, so here it is. It's a Logan model 1955 lathe. Not sure what year it is yet. Got some figuring to do. It's in pretty good shape. For some reason this is broke out of it, which doesn't seem to matter too much, I don't think. I'm not sure what's supposed to be there, but other than that, it's pretty good. It's a bit of surface rust on it. Nothing too major. I gotta get this faceplate off and put the chuck that's on down there. Everything's wet. It was on the truck last night and it rained, so that kind of sucks, but there's no fresh rust, so I'll be able to dry everything off and oil it up, I guess. So yeah, gotta figure everything out on it, see if I can't find a manual for it and whatnot, and try and clean it up a bit. It's pretty grimy. It was painted at one point, I think, since original, I should say. Yeah, it's got V-belts on it, not flat belts. Not really sure what else there is to say about it, because I don't really know much about it. But it was rewired recently as well, apparently. And the motor is rewound. It's got a forward reverse switch there. And yeah, some other stuff with it, so I gotta sort everything out and see what we got to deal with here, and try to clean it up and whatnot, and hopefully get using it. We got it all set up here. I cleaned it off a bunch and oiled the ways on it, or whatever you call them. So yeah, I got the tailstock on there, and we got to figure out some way to attach the chuck onto it. The chuck I got is right here, but it won't fit on that adapter plate, so I might have to buy another adapter plate or something for it. We'll find out, I guess. Still haven't figured out what year it is, but yeah, just wanted to give you an overview of it right quick. So yeah, we'll put it to use, I guess, as soon as I can get everything going on it. It's got a horrendous amount of backlash in this cross slide thing, so we're going to figure out what's going on there and see if we can't fix that. I'm not exactly sure what needs to be done to fix it, but we'll figure it out. So I figured it out. There's a screw right here. It was loose, like super loose, so I tightened it up, and that got rid of all the backlash that I had there. So figured that out pretty easily. Really nice to have a manual for it, but anyway, yeah,